Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where start menu is grayed out and unresponsive, then please watch this video. So click on the start menu and all of these options are grayed out and unresponsive. So what would you do? Now, before I start with this is the resolutions, I should confirm one thing, that I did not find any definitive resolution across the internet, so I can give my best attempt to it, but I do not assure that I will solve your problem. Now coming to this. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to initiate the SFC scan. Now this scan will check for missing and corrupt files on your system and replace them if possible. The next solution is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next and then finally finish. The third solution is clean boot. Now what is clean boot? In case any third party software is causing the problem, then you can isolate the cause by rebooting your system in the clean boot state, in which all third party software products will be off when you boot into your system, but you can turn them on manually. Okay, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.